Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing one way to quickly memorize. Do you ever find yourself struggling to memorize information for exams or presentations? If yes, then this video is for you. There are many techniques to memorize information, but today I will be sharing one effective way that can help your memorize information quickly. So, let's get started. The first technique is repetition. Repetition is the simplest way to memorize information quickly. Repeating information multiple times helps you retain it in your memory. You can repeat the information to yourself, write it down several times, or even record yourself saying it and listen to the recording repeatedly. This technique may seem basic, but it can be really helpful when you need to remember important information quickly. The second technique is chunking. Chunking means breaking down information into smaller, more manageable chunks. It can make it easier to memorize a large amount of information. For example, if you need to memorize a long sequence of numbers, you could break them up into groups of 3 or 4 digits. This technique helps you to focus on small parts of information, which makes it easier to retain. The third technique is visualization. Visualization involves creating mental images of the information you need to memorize. It helps you remember information more easily. For example, if you need to memorize a list of objects, you could create a mental picture of each object in a specific location. This technique helps to connect the information with a visual cue, making it easier to remember. The fourth technique is mnemonics. Mnemonics is a memory aid that helps you remember information by associating it with something else. For example, to remember the order of the planets in our solar system, you could use the mnemonic "My very eager mother just served us 9 pizzas: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto." Mnemonics can be really helpful when you need to remember a list of information. The fifth technique is active recall. Active recall means testing yourself on the information you need to memorize. It helps to reinforce the information in your memory. You could try recalling the information from memory, writing it down from memory, or quizzing yourself with flashcards. This technique helps to actively engage with the information, making it easier to remember. The sixth and final technique is sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for memory consolidation. When you sleep, your brain processes and strengthens memories, so it's important to get a good night's rest after studying or learning new information. This technique helps your brain to store the information in long-term memory. So, those were the 6 techniques to quickly memorize information. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any other tips or techniques, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.